It's like I don't care about nothing, man. Yeah. Oh,
What's going on, guys? This video is about exterior angles theorem. So you're dealing with triangles still, except now they make one of the lines keep going so that you have an exterior angle. So you will see how to solve those types of problems by the end of this video. All right, so on this page, page 8, we're going over exterior angle theorem. Now, exterior angle theorem says an exterior is always equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So non-adjacent, you need to know what that means. Non-adjacent means not next to. So if I'm trying to find this exterior angle, I'm going to use the two non-adjacent angles. So to find angle 1, I would do it by adding angle 2 and angle 3. So if I wanted to do number 1, the way I would do that is to find this angle here, I have to add these two angles. So I would have 76 plus 52. And that would get me 128. So this angle out here is 128 degrees because an exterior angle is the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. All right, so now I'm going to set up number 3. Number 3, same idea, except now they gave you equations instead of numbers. So I'm going to use the two non-adjacents, add them together, and set them equal to the exterior angle. So I'm going to have 18x minus 15 equals 13x minus 11 plus 4x plus 1. So what I would want to do here is combine like terms. So 13x will combine with 4x. So on the left side it doesn't change because there's nothing to combine. On the right side we have 13x plus 4x is 17x. Then you have negative 11 plus 1, which is negative 10. Now I want to get all my x's to one side, everything that doesn't have a variable to the other. So I'm going to start off by subtracting 17x to both sides. That'll cancel it out on the right. And you have x minus 15 equals negative 10. Now I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to add 15 to both sides. And x equals 5. So now you can go about solving each of these ones here. Oh, I just noticed that I had it cut off for the x equals 5.
What an idiot.
So now I can just plug it in. So if I want to find angle ABC, so that would be this angle here, what I would want to do is do 4x plus 1. Instead of 4x plus 1, I'm going to do 4 times 5 plus 1. So 20 plus 1 is 21. So angle ACB, or ABC, I mean, is 21 degrees. So I'll write it here as well so you knew that this one was for ABC. So this one here is 21 degrees. Now, let's say I'm trying to find this one here. So CAB, angle CAB. I'm going to be using this equation 13x minus 11. Now, instead of x, we're going to do 13 times 5 minus 11. 13 times 5 is 65. Subtract 11, which gets me 54. So angle CAB is 54 degrees. And I'll write it inside here as well. Now, if I want to find the exterior angle, this equation of 18x minus 15, that'll be angle DCB. So angle DCB. If I do this, I have 18x minus 15. Instead of x, we're going to do 5, so 18 times 5 minus 15. 18 times 5 is 90. Subtract 15, and you get 75. So angle DCB is 75 degrees. Now we have one last one to find. The last one we have to find is ACB. You'll notice that that is inside here. So how I'm going to find it is by noticing that angle ACB forms a linear pair. And since I know that this angle is 75 and the full thing has to equal 180, I'm going to do 180 minus 75. And that is going to get me 105 degrees. So this angle right here is 105. So that is how you find x and all the angles for this problem. And I just noticed that I wasn't showing some of it, so I'll move it up.
What an idiot.
As the kids say, that's my B. And I don't have another paper at home, so I'm not going to edit it.
It's Brittany, bitch.
What's going on, guys? That's the end of this video. It was nice, short, sweet, to the point. Now, hopefully you now know if you take the two non-adjacent angles, add them together, that'll make your exterior angle. So that was the success criteria today, was to know how to do that. So I hope you enjoyed.